everybody. So let's get started making our whipped shea butter. So these are the stuff I have right now. A bowl, a scale, and a little spoon. And we're just gonna start off with the shea butter. I don't wanna show you me pouring it because but I got shea butter, and then I also have some coconut oil. That's what we're gonna start off with. Also, I have the formula down below if you wanna see it, the recipe, so you can make this yourself. So first we're gonna do is we're gonna take this to the stove and we're gonna let this stuff melt. This is gonna be the easiest way for us to get a nice mixed consistency. So this takes a little while, but after it fully melts, this is how it's gonna look. And so now we're about to add some oils. So the first oil we are going to add is sweet almond oil. What am I doing? I'm probably singing right now, but let's get to it, Leah. So there we go, our sweet almond oil. Please forgive the label. I know it looks so rinky-dink. So now I'm just gonna mix it just to, get a good consistency. I know it's oils, but it's better to be safe than sorry. So now we're about to go to our next oil, which is gonna be our sunflower oil. This pouring is making my heart hurt. Y'all, I hope y'all can pour better than me. Please excuse the pouring. Please excuse the pouring. So now I'm just gonna take some saran wrap and wrap the top of the bowl because I'm about to put it in the freezer to let it solidify. You want it to stay in there for as long as it takes for it to be a solid, but not too hard. You want it to be a nice, soft, solid. The whole thing does not have to be solid. It still could have some oils in it. As you can see, I kind of left mine in there too long. You're gonna see in just a moment. It's a little hard, so it's gonna be harder whipping for me. So try to just watch it, y'all, because I just left that thing in there and did some things and forgot. Took a whole bath. As you can see, I have another shirt on. So watch your butter, y'all. Watch it. Y'all see how hard it is for me to get my thing inside of get all the stuff on the side. It's so hard. So yeah, please watch it. Don't let it stay in there too long. And it's gonna take me a while to make it whip to a consistency that I like. And so I'm just gonna kind of fast forward this whole thing. It's looking pretty so far, but just watch, y'all. It's gonna look very buttery, like butter, like hard butter. So I had to go get a little spatula and try to get all the stuff from the side to come in the middle because we want all that product. We don't want to waste anything. So yeah, spatulas are your best friend in this situation. But yeah, go get a spatula. So this is what I was talking about. It's gonna be hard. You can see the consistency is just not right now. It's gonna take some nice whipping to get that and some power to get that looking better. Y'all see, it looks legit hard butter. So yeah, we're about to whip that thing up and make it look nice and feel nice. Now, this right here is what we're talking about. I love it. I love it, love it, love it, love it. Now, you're probably wondering why I continue to use the spatula and bring things together. It's because I want everything to be mixed really well. Everything needs to be mixed nicely, and I forgot to put my light on this whole time. But yeah, so. So now I'm just gonna put some vitamin E oil. This is called E oil. I'm putting 10 drops in there, and then I'm gonna mix that again. Y'all, it's the consistency for me, okay? And now we are finally done whipping. Isn't that beautiful, y'all? I love it. I love it. So now my favorite part is to put in the container. I don't know, just looking at it, just put in the little container does something to me every time. There you have it, guys. You have a nice butter. It can be for your body, your hair. It's just a very good moisturizing butter.